Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1993 little Notchback LX50 factory V8 car, 5-speed, beautiful car, white with a burgundy interior. Just put the wheels and tires on today actually. Got about 2 blocks on them. Brand new out of the box. BF Goodrich G-forces, tires. Beautiful car, guys. 64,000 miles, real V8, 5-speed. Great color combination. Car's got the look. This is the one everybody wants. Headlights and taillights have been updated. We've got the factory ones to go with it. Beautiful interior. All your power windows and locks, all your power lumbar seat, power mirrors, all your factory gauges. It does have an AM/FM CD player, aftermarket in it. A little tack was added, a little shorty shifter in it. It's done really nice and tasteful. Beautiful interior in it. Interior looks like new. Beautiful door jambs, all the stickers are in it, jambs. Super clean underbody. The jambs are clean. Doors shut nice. Gaps are all good. Fire it up. Start it real quick for you guys. It's all stock other than the exhaust system and a Canon air filter in it. Factory air lights, cold, power steering, brakes. The factory headers on it. We've got the headlights, the factory ones that go with it. We also got the factory air box that will go with it. Previous owner did change the rear end gear in it. I believe it's a 373 in it now. We've got the factory gear that'll go with the car as well. Got a ton of receipts in the build. And beautiful car. Full master exhaust system. If you have any questions, give us a call. Dave from Showdown, 586-791-0778. ShowdownAuto.com. Thanks.
We're out here, we'll do a quick test drive to see good oil pressure. Tack was added. Original tack works, but not accurate. Let's see, we take off here, shift nice. Turns nice, no squeaks, no rattles. Air conditioning blows cold. Car runs great, stops great. Put the brakes here. Great day, everyone. Visit ShowdownAuto.com.